today, all of us should stop buying bottled water. Listen, why? If you buy one bottle, okay, hindi ko na bottle. Ayun, si mama, bottle. Okay, if you buy one bottle of magkano? 20. Tama mali. You drink one bottle a day. That's 600 a month. Times 12 months, that's 7,200 a year for bottled water alone. Look, listen. If you're buying this bottled water, what are you really buying? Water, right? But you know what we're paying for? Not water, but the plastic. The plastic is the most expensive. Next is the cap. Next is the sticker. And the cheapest is the water. So what you are buying is not really water, the packaging. If you're just conscious, everyone say conscious. Don't throw the bottle. Clean the bottle. Bring home the bottle. Go to the nearest water refilling station. Buy the 5 gallons. Alam mo yung 5 gallons, yung bilog na malaki? Pagkano lang yan? 20 to 25. Not 5 gallons. Pero please lang naman, one day, huwag mong pitpitin sa campus mo yan. Pag tinanong ka ng badya, ano yan? Tubig ko, anong pakialam mo? Tapos nakaswa ka pa. Records naman. Aguin mo, ha? Mag-refill ka, ilagay mo sa bag mo, magkano tipid mo per day? 20, 600 naman, 7,200 a year. That's for bottled water alone. Hindi pa kasama yung C2, Fit Edward, Sting, Cobra, Sabular, Red Horse, Red Bull, iba ang tama. Wala ba yun? Tama mali. Wala may pagpunta sa restaurant. Bottomless as the plants. Mango seckless. Ano mango set? Mango shake.